Brand association is actually a perception deep-seated in the brand users or its community's minds about the brand. Remember what I said earlier. It's not what you say that's the perception. It's what they feel and they take out of interacting and the communication that becomes the perception. And that perception creates an association with the brand. It's usually attributed and triggered by a logo, color, words. And I'm sure you're hearing this, you can think of many brands where a picture comes to mind, where a tune comes to mind, where a catchphrase comes to mind. All of these are brand associations that have impacted on the perception of the brand. And yes, as a strategic marketeer, I always intend to influence and create perceptions about the brand using these: content, design, and message.